Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to register, and believe it or not, a lot of people make mistakes, so please watch this video because so many people get it wrong when they first start. Okay, when you first start you'll get a link from somebody who's introduced you, something like this. Click on the link. This will bring you to a dialog box like this. Now make sure it's from the person that introduced you by checking the email address. You can actually register using one of these social media buttons, but for the sake of this video I'm going to show you how to do it using an email. Okay, first of all, do not use any Microsoft type email, Hotmail, Live, MSN, Outlook. For some reason it doesn't work. Use something like Gmail or Yahoo. So put your email address in and then put your telephone number in without the 0 and put the country code in. The plus is already there, so you don't have to put that in. And then the password, it has to be at least 8 characters, preferably with some digits in there. Most importantly, do not use the same password for your email that you for this as you would use for your email, okay, because people can hack into your email account. Then repeat the password and then just hit the authorize button. That'll send you an email to your email account, an activation email. Click on the link and then go back to this site and log in. Put your email address in that you've registered with and your password, and then very importantly, only press this login button once, because so many people press it twice and it generates 2 PIN codes instead of 1, and then they try to log in with the wrong PIN code. So go back to your email address and look at the PIN. Make sure you refresh it because you might have got 2, so make sure you only get 1. Put that PIN code in and then again press this login button once, because if you press it twice it might accidentally send 2 PIN codes. Then you'll get this dialog box asking you to add the IP address. Select yes, and that way you won't have to keep putting the PIN code in from the place where you've logged in from. So if it's at home, click yes. If it's from an internet cafe, don't click yes, because you want to make sure people can't hack into your account. At some stage later on, you'll be able to, if you log in from somewhere else, you'll be asked the same thing to add the IP, and that's up to you. Okay, once you've got in, then you fill in the details, your personal details, select the country, the city, put your postcode, your address as well as your postcode, and then for the date of birth, very importantly, don't try going back through the months, it'll take forever. So put in the month first, then the date, and then the 4-digit year. Make sure your telephone number is correct, and do not change the password because you've only just registered. This is if you want to change it later on. Click the update button and that's it, you're in. If you have any problems, there's a little link here at the bottom, support link. Click on it, you've got a live chat facility, you can explain the problem there and hopefully somebody will get back to you and solve your problem. If you have any other problems, get back to the person that introduced you. If you do have problems with logging in, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this YouTube video in the description box where you can click on that and watch the video that shows you how to get around the login problems. So if you have any problems like that, just watch that video. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.